Hello Minglaba and welcome back food lovers. Today we're taking a culinary journey to Vietnam because we have a Vietnamese street food called Banh Xeo on the menu. Banh Xeo literally translates as sizzling pancakes, which describes the sound the batter makes when it is poured onto the hot pan. The batter is made using rice flour, so it's gluten-free and is perfect for those of you who are gluten intolerant. The filling that I'm using in this recipe are juicy red prawns and pork. So if you want to make this recipe, then stay tuned because I will show you how. Let's go with a list of ingredients. The first thing that we need to do is to prepare the pancake batter. This is because it needs to stand for some time before cooking. So we will begin with the list of ingredients for that. 300 milliliters of water, 1 teaspoon of turmeric, 220 grams of rice flour, 2 tablespoons of corn flour, 1 can of coconut milk. You can use either low-fat or the full-fat version. I normally use the full-fat version, but I accidentally picked up the low-fat version as the packaging looked very similar. Don't you hate it when that happens? And to season, you need 1 teaspoon of sugar and half a teaspoon of salt. So to make the batter, you simply add the dry ingredients into a bowl, beginning with the rice flour and then the corn flour. Then the salt and sugar. And then the turmeric powder. Pour in the wet ingredients beginning with the water, and then the coconut milk. Then mix together using the whisk. Don't use an electric whisk because it tends to aerate the mixture, which we don't want. I'm using an old-fashioned mechanical hand whisk. When that's done, leave the batter to stand for about 15 minutes. While the batter is standing, we can make the filling for the pancakes. The first ingredient is pork. I'm using about 200 grams here, and I have cut up into small pieces and marinated it in 2 tablespoons of hoisin sauce and 1 tablespoon of dark soy sauce. 1 chopped red chili, 12 raw prawns. I'm using red Argentinian prawns here, but you can also use tiger prawns. A bowl of bean sprouts. Green salad leaves of your choice. Chopped coriander. And half an onion sliced. And mint leaves for garnish. To cook the filling, you simply saute the onions and pork and prawns in a pan with 2 tablespoons of oil. Begin by cooking the onions and the pork firstly, and then add the prawns and cook these for about a minute. We don't want to overcook them. When the filling is cooked, set it to one side and then make the pancakes. To do so, you'll need a large frying pan and heat up a tablespoon of oil in it. The secret to making good pancakes is to ensure that the oil is hot enough before adding in the batter. Swirl the pan around to cook the batter evenly. When the batter is cooked, we can add the filling. Add it to one half of the pancakes because we're going to fold it in half. I'm adding coriander and chilies to mine because I like mine spicy. Then add in the prawn and pork mixture. And finally, add in the bean sprouts. We can then fold the pancake in half. Folding the pancake in half will help to cook the bean sprouts, but still leave them crunchy. Serve the pancakes with a green leaf side salad and the traditional Vietnamese dipping sauce ngoc cham. To make ngoc cham, squeeze in the juice from half a lime with sliced chili and grated garlic. Add a bit of sugar and then some fish sauce and mix together. So that's how you make Banh Xeo or Vietnamese rice pancakes. Serve about 2 pancakes per person and you have a delicious and healthy dinner. Thanks for watching, guys. Remember to subscribe and press the like button. See you next time.